Hi you guys, I'm gonna be going to the Rush game in Saskatoon, and it's gonna be a vlog, you know, because I have not been posting videos in a while, so I'm just gonna give you like a vlog. And yeah, it won't be like too tea, but it will be tea, like trust. So this video will be so tea, so good, and make sure to watch it, and make sure to subscribe and like the video, because you should like. But I'm just waiting for the vehicle. It's part of the prevention or whatever. I'm grateful that I'm going, but it was just like they didn't ask me, you know. But I'm just gonna go because my friends are going, like Sasha, Faith, Kaylee. And yeah, so, you know, tea. I'm just gonna like come back to y'all when like the bus is here, you know, so. Wait till you guys, I'm gonna give you like a fit check. So this jacket is from the mall in Delbert. These jeans are from Urban Planet, you know. Yeah, the do jiggle. Oh yeah! The shirt, Valley Village. The necklace from my great grandma. You see it? My cook she did. And my hair is from my mom. The makeup is all from Sephora. Rich bitch. Wow! And I'm still waiting for the damn bus. Like it's been 5 minutes. Wow! I'm just gonna put on my shoes real quick. But honestly, I don't think they're here. Hello, is the van here? Bitch, they make me wait so long. Hello? Oh my god. Bitch, I see a big uncle walking over there. You guys see that? Oh my god, y'all, there's a bitch over there. Wait, why do they feel so tea? Oh yeah, with this jacket or jacket, if you want to be French, like the French people say it. Jacket. Hey bitch, where the hell are these hoes? Y'all, it's been like 10 minutes. They're still not here. Am I even going to make it? Or like, what's going on? Like, why the fuck are they not here? Like, did they leave me? Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you see that vehicle right there? Right there, yeah. Bitch, that is so motherfucking small, and there's like 10 people going to this fucking thing. Bitch, ain't no way. Oh my god, I got my shoes in the puddles, but. Bitch, I think that's them. No shit, is that them? Oh girl, that's just a slow SUV. My bad. Bitch, I'm fucking cold. And my eyes are tearing up. I don't know why. Like, I'm not crying or whatever. Bitch. As you can tell, I'm at home because I'm not going. Like, I swear I got signed up. And Sasha, she did not go. I don't know what happened. I think they forgot about her. And they did not come pick me up. Like, bitch, what the fuck? But that's okay because I didn't really want to go. As if you can tell at the start of the video, I was saying like, you know. So anyways, this is going to be a realistic day of Achilles' backstory. So first, it's like kind of breakfast. Well, I don't know. Okay. So bitch, y'all can skip the video or just not watch it at all. But bitch, I'm going to be making French toast. French toast. Yay! So first you need a pan. But I'm gonna wash it because like it's kind of dirty, if I'm not gonna lie. Just let me unleave my sleeve. Gotta make sure that gunk is off, cause bitch, if you have a dirty pan, then like, and you're making food, like. Okay, wait, I need to do this off camera. The pan is clean, looking fresh, just like me. Okay, let me just. Bitch, do not mind the kitchen. It's fucking dirty, like res house. First you're gonna have to put the heat at medium because like you just need that shit. Then of course put the pan on the motherfucking thing. And let me just make the toast and shit. Okay, so let me get the bread. Right here, period. And then now we just need the eggs. About that. Okay, bitch, we have eggs. I'm gonna use this one because if you put like the bread in that and you just dip it in, so. Okay, let me just come back. Okay, you guys. So the key to French toast is to first put like 2 or 3 eggs. 1. Wow. Oh, shit. 2. And then you just have to put like some milk, like I'd say like a cup, but this is like not a cup, but you could just put like 1 of this and like just half of that. So first I have to pour the milk in there. You just pour it in there, of course. And you put just, oh bitch, okay. I think I'm gonna put 3 eggs because that's like a lot of milk. These are freshly eggs. They're not fake. Bitch, I buy the real shit. And then, yeah, so I got that. Bitch, I need like a mixer, like a mixer to steer it because, of course, you're gonna have to steer it, like the fuck. So now you just want to mix it. Y'all, this is like cooking with Achilles. Cooking with Achilles. So first, I'm just gonna grab the bread. Okay. So you put the bread. I washed my hands, you guys. So don't judge me. Don't judge a bitch. So you dip it in there, and then I'm just gonna put that there. I'm so sorry if I look rough or whatever, but bitch. Y'all are the viewers, not the haters, right? First, I kind of have to oil up the, oh, bitch, ew, that's not, let me grab this, the same thingy. Okay. But you just have to make sure it's like an oily. Okay, guys. And then you grab the dip, oh, ew, bitch, that looks nasty. You just drop it on there, like, bitch, let me just put just a teeny bit. Okay. And now, I'm gonna have, like, 5 French toast. That's a little, like, too, like, I don't know. Usually I have, like, 10. Oh, bitch. Ooh. Let me just move you. Yes, you're on the fucking coffee cart, or whatever the fuck you call it, because, bitch, I do not have a tripod. Because, bitch, I don't even make vlogs. Okay, bitch, so I'm just gonna grab this. And put you guys on there, because I need that. IMAX. Oh, bitch, I know. Turn up the motherfucking heat, like, no shade. Hey you guys, period, and that's all we're eating. Just kidding. Just put this bitch on it. Okay, so first of all, you got the oh bitch, why is it like that? Just wait. Okay, you're just gonna ignore all this shit right there. But first, I just put my second coat of my French toast. But I need to put some butter on it because like it could like burn the damn French toast, make it black instead of cooking it. Like, who likes a crispy French toast? Have you ever heard of a crispy French toast? Like, at all? Like, you know. Ooh, let that sizzle, Ooh, bitch, ooh, I'm not holding. Yes, bitch. Okay. And I like to just like, oh, bitch, you can't even see it. Bitch, I'm so stupid. Hold on. Gotta make sure it's on that bitch. Like, no. It was on here like a little more than I recorded, so like, it's done, you know? So there you go, second French toast. Second French toast, period. Now I'm just gonna make the third one, you know. You gotta make sure the bitch is in there, like, you know what I mean? It has to be in there. Pop that bitch on that hoe. See, third one, bitch, I'm not a big bitch. I'm sharing this with my family, yes. But if y'all, oh bitch, oh that's black. Just like your bomb. But anyways, if you guys wanna like send me some money for a tripod for better content, then send me one. Cause for now I'm just fucking using a coffee mate or whatever the fuck it's called. Coffee roast. Which I call. Okay you guys, they're all done. I made some more for the family. Let's go give it to them now. Family. Family? Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. I think I'm home alone. I don't know where my family is. Well, I can't leave these unattended, so I guess I'm gonna eat them. Because in my culture, there's no such thing as wasting food. So I think I'm just gonna eat this all. Because you know what? I'm a young hoe. Young hoe. I'm not gonna be eating this all to myself, you guys. You're crazy. Gotta make sure like all these bitches have something, like, you know. Young hoe. Oh, bitch. I need to grab my motherfucking bag. Okay, once again, young hoe. So I'm just gonna go to my room because like the room is my safe space. And bitch, when people come in my room, they're in my bubble. Like, they're in my motherfucking bubble. Oh my gosh. Bitch, I'm so motherfucking full. Like, I cannot finish this. Okay, just bite. I just took such a big bite. Wow. That's way too good. But, bitch, I'm not gonna be filming myself eating. Like, the fuck? I'm already eating myself. Eating my body's food. And I'm eating, like. I'm the example of motherfucking eating. No shit. Shut the fuck up. But this is when I'm gonna end the vlog. So bye. Love you guys. Mwah.